today we're going to be checking out this Brookstone fidget spinner. It is a cube spinner. It looks like a fidget cube, but actually it's a spinner. It is ages 14 and up, and it grades spinning and fair and square. A rare, fair, and a square species in the world of pocket spinners. Smoothly machined aluminum is a pleasure to hold two opposing corners and spin. Small and quiet. Now let's check it out. We already did a cube fidget spinner video. You could check it out in our channel. But it wasn't a Brookstone cube spinner. So now let's test this one out. It is really smooth and balanced, and it's satisfying to spin. It is a little heavy, and it's made out of aluminum. It has the same feeling as the other cube fidget spinner, and it looks like a perfect square. The Brookstone logo is in one of the sides, and it's a really good spinner. To spin it, you have to hold the edges, and the middle part spins. You could spin it with one hand, but it's easier with two hands. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye. Peace out.